We visited a Catholic church in Beppu City located near the Beppu station. There we saw various new elements that we have never seen before. We went to an English-based service, also known as a Mass, to experience what it is like to be in a Catholic church. Catholicism is the faith, practice, and church order of the Roman Catholic Church. With 1.2 billion members, it is one of the biggest religions that exists on the earth. Here the priest gives the message of the Eucharist. The Eucharist, which is also called the Holy Communion, the Lord's Supper, or bread and wine, is celebrated every week for devoted Catholics. Here we can see the members of the church in line to get their sacramental bread or communion bread. This immersive experience in this Catholic church was something that the three of us would definitely remember.